How to unsubscribe from all subscribed channels on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to manage and remove your channel subscriptions. First, it's important to know that YouTube doesn't have a built-in feature to unsubscribe from all channels at once. Next, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Following that, tap on the Subscriptions tab at the bottom to view all your subscribed channels. Now, tap on All at the top to see the complete list of channels you're subscribed to. Moving forward, find the channel you want to unsubscribe from and tap on it to open the channel page. Afterwards, tap on the Subscribe button below the channel name. In addition to that, a menu will appear with options including Unsubscribe. Once there, tap on Unsubscribe to remove that channel from your subscriptions. Subsequently, YouTube will ask you to confirm your decision. Moreover, tap Unsubscribe again to confirm the removal. Afterwards, you'll need to repeat this process for each channel you want to unsubscribe from. Then, go back to your subscriptions list and continue unsubscribing from other channels one by one. Within the YouTube app, this manual method is the only official way to manage your subscriptions. Alternatively, if you're using a computer, you can access your subscription manager through YouTube settings for a slightly faster process. Once you've unsubscribed from all unwanted channels, your subscription feed will only show content from channels you want to follow. And that's it. If this unsubscribe guide helped you clean up your YouTube subscriptions, drop a like, subscribe for more YouTube management tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.